Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a midsize pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.